Hi there! In today's short video I want to show you a nice way to clean your Unity console from script. This comes in handy when you try to debug triggers or you throw a lot of debug logs in some sort of loop or even your update method. I'm not saying that I recommend that. Or simply if you want to tidy up the spam in your console. So here's my Unity project for Country Balls The Heist, my upcoming Country Ball stealth game that I kindly ask you to check out and wishlist on Steam. A link is in the description. I have plenty things that I want to debug right now, for example, which cursor I currently display on screen. These logs inform me quite often about the cursor's state and therefore flood my console over time. Now I surely could go down to the console and clear it via a button click, but I want to be able to do it while my mouse cursor is in the game window to not trigger any cursor out of screen logic I implemented. To achieve this, I created a simple C# script and added it to a game object in my scene as usual. At the top of the script I add a new using directive that accesses System.Reflection. I put it in between these if Unity editor and if hashtags. Those are called preprocessor directives and make sure that the code only executes in the editor and that these lines don't break the build version of your game. Then I create a method that I call ClearLog that looks like this. Calling this function will simply trigger the built-in clear method for logs in the editor. And with this setup, I can execute it in update, for example, if I press C on my keyboard. Let's see if it works. Yep, it does its job and helps me to get rid of all the logs. I hope that was helpful. As I mentioned, check out Country Balls The Heist and let me know if you have any questions. See you next time.